Good day everyone, my name is Vince D. Dacles, grade 11, Use Section Gardener. My topic about to discuss is the use of 10 commonly Filipino words. So let's get started. Like what I said, here's the 10 commonly Filipino words. Anakula, captain, sipnayan, mathematics, hatinig, telephone, uok, sapot, website, sulatroniko, email, durungawan, window, salampuwit, chair, katipan, husband or wife, painita, suklay, antepara, eyeglass. So I will gonna choose 3 of them and explain it. 1. Solatroniko, a system for sending message from one computer to another computer. 2. Hatinig, a system that convert acoustic vibration to electric signals in order to transmit sounds. 3. Antepara, device consisting of glass or hard plastic lenses mounted in a frame that holds them in one front of a person's eyes. Thank you. So that's it, the 10 uncommonly Filipino words that I discussed today. Thank you and God bless.